Alright, I got Sporty's crevice cleaning tool. This has a non-rust stainless steel blade on it. The shaft is metal, the connection part's metal. We've got some plastic pieces here and a plastic handle with some grips on it, which is actually kind of nice. There's a hook on here if you want to hang it up. It weighs 1 pound, 6 ounces. Right here in this state that it's in right now, it's 28 inches, but it's telescopic. So I've seen some people have had some trouble opening this. It is kind of tight. As I'm using it more, it becomes a little bit easier. You're gonna have to get a grip up here and a grip on the handle. And it says open, and you're gonna have to turn the handle like you're riding a motorcycle. And it telescopes out to 40.5 inches. There's gonna be some bending involved with me being 6'2". It's way better than crawling around on the ground, so let's test this thing out. This is gonna be perfect for pulling stuff out of there. You can see it gets right in there. Perfect for this type of scenario. Perfect for running a little edge along my back patio. I like that. I'm doing this one-handed too. Look at that. Works as intended. Lock it back in place, hang it up in the shed with the rest of your garden tools, and you're good to go. This thing's pretty useful.